Today we learn how to trade Forex. How do we learn how to trade Forex without a teacher? We go to the YouTube search button and we type in how to trade Forex. Of course, a lot of people gonna pop up saying they made $11 to $100. I even seen somebody said he was a 15-year-old expert on trading Forex. So this is gonna be interesting. Stick around if you guys want to learn what happened. I did end up making money at the end of this video trading Forex. If you guys are new here, my name is Franz Trades. On this channel, we go over anything stocks, anything that help a trader become a better trader or a new learner to become a better trader from where they are. So if you guys are new here, make sure to drop that subscribe button, click notifications to be notified when I drop a video, and subscribe. As you guys can see, we are up $2,000. $2,000. I took this trade today. As you guys can see, I bought it up there. As you guys see where the green line is, that's where I bought it, and this is where the stock is currently at. So if you guys want to learn how I did this, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Whoever's still watching, I know you guys want to learn, so let's jump into it. So my style of trading is around technical analysis. I don't use the news, I don't use the media, anything like that. I am a technical analysis trader, so my way of trading is kind of different from your regular other traders, sort of say. So what I look for is basically a reversal using the SMA, right? So using the SMA is a simple moving average. It's a lagging indicator, but everybody says I use it to guide where the stock is going, right? There are thousands of indicators that help other people do other things, so the way I use the SMA is the way I use it, right? So I look for trends, I look for anything with price movement, a great range where the stock can keep going, make money up or make money down. So that's what I look for. If you guys want to learn more about that, join the Discord down below, ask me questions, or drop comments down below in the comment section. If you guys are paying close attention, I'm over $100 on this trade. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. A lot of you guys in your head are like, this looks easy, anybody can do it. If that was the case, everybody would be a millionaire. I am very experienced in looking at charts and recognizing patterns. That's why I got to this key level. If you guys really want to learn, that's if you guys really want to learn, join that Discord below and drop me questions and I'll help you guys out to my best of my understanding. How did I learn about lots, spreads, and commission? Well, I watched Beheza. I'm gonna play part of the video where he kind of explained that right now.
So after we got all of the formalities out of the way, I began by asking him what his best advice was for a beginner such as myself.
Well, man, that's a loaded question because there are so many things that beginners need to understand when they're trading. It's like any industry you want to hop into.
Right.
There isn't just one answer. There's like a million things you need to understand. But if I were to keep it short and simple to the point for beginners, it would be do not complicate it. Find a strategy that's already consistently profitable and stick with it.
I then asked how he knew where these currency prices are about to go and what he kind of looks out for.
Divergence is a specific type of method where you look at price action and you look to see if there's a difference between price action and whatever indicator you're using.
Okay, so you don't use like fundamentals or anything like that? You don't look at politics, global events, none of that?
I personally don't, even though I do check ahead of time. So you also want to write this down, forexfactory.com.
What'd you say?
He also told me about the main platform Forex traders normally use.
Something called MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4 is the platform that we use that brokers connect to.
As well as some other resources I could look into.
So, I always tell people, don't buy a course, just go, for example, one of the most popular websites we'll go to learn for free is babypips.com.
This conversation was definitely helpful. Justin also followed up with some tips after the call and explained how the leverage works with Forex, which
That video has a lot of great information. If you guys want to go check it out, go ahead and go search up that video. It's by Beheza. From a stock trader to becoming a Forex trader or going into the area of Forex. Forex looks like it's a great opportunity to make money. There's always opportunity to make money out there and it's open 24/7. So I'm gonna go ahead and venture out into this abyss and let's see what we can do. Again, if you guys are new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications and come on this journey with me as we go explore the Forex side of the market.